Hi, this is Jellie and welcome to my grammar series. Today, we are going to be talking about nouns. At the end of the lesson, you are expected to, number 1, define what is noun. Number 2, give some examples of noun. And number 3, identify nouns in a sentence. Take the quiz at the end of the lesson to see if you have really understood our discussion. So, let's go. What is noun? Noun is a word that names something such as names, places, events, ideas, and animals. Examples: person, Maria, teacher, boy, girl. Place, Philippines, Olongapo City. School, farm, house. Things, Samsung, apple, chair, table, bag. Events, Independence Day, Rizal Day. Weddings, holidays. Ideas, imagination, liberty, freedom, education, psychology. Food, fruits, vegetables, burger. Animals, zebra, lion, penguin, whales, dogs, cats. Now, let's see if you can identify the noun in this sentence. The pizza is so delicious, but I don't have money for it. There are 2 nouns in that sentence. First one is pizza. The second one is money. Congratulations, you did great. Next video, we're going to talk about pronouns. Once again, this is your teacher Jellie, and see you next time. Bye-bye.